What's something people don't know about French onion soup? Well, for starters, it's not just a simple bowl of broth and onions. There's a rich tapestry of history and culinary artistry behind every spoonful. It's not just a bowl of broth and onions. The ingredients might seem humble, but the magic lies in how they come together to create something truly extraordinary. French onion soup, a dish so legendary it could make onions cry tears of joy. The caramelization of the onions is a labor of love, requiring patience and precision to achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and depth. But where did this savory superstar come from? The origins of French onion soup are as rich and layered as the soup itself. Legend has it, French onion soup dates back to the Roman Empire. Yes, even Julius Caesar might have slurped on some oniony goodness. The Romans were known for their love of hearty, warming dishes, and onions were a staple in their diet. Yes, even Julius Caesar might have slurped on some oniony goodness. Imagine the great Roman leader enjoying a bowl of this comforting soup after a long day of conquests. Fast forward to 18th century France, and it becomes the ultimate comfort food for Parisians. The bustling streets of Paris were filled with vendors selling this warm, hearty soup to hungry passers-by. The recipe evolved over time, with each generation adding their own twist to the classic dish. It became a symbol of French culinary tradition, loved by both the common folk and the aristocracy. Imagine it's a chilly night in Paris. You're in a cozy bistro, the air thick with the aroma of caramelized onions, beef broth, and gooey melted cheese. The warmth of the soup envelops you, providing comfort and satisfaction with every bite. You're in a cozy bistro, the air thick with the aroma of caramelized onions, beef broth, and gooey melted cheese. The flickering candlelight casts a warm glow, and the clinking of glasses and soft murmur of conversation create an inviting atmosphere. Voila, French onion soup. But wait, there's more. This dish isn't just about taste, it's a full sensory experience. The sight of the golden bubbling cheese, the sound of the crusty bread as you break through the top layer, and the rich savory aroma all come together to create a moment of pure culinary bliss. But wait, there's more. The story of French onion soup is filled with fascinating anecdotes and legends. Apparently, King Louis XV invented it by accident. One night, short on ingredients, he threw together onions, butter, and champagne. The result? A royal mistake turned culinary masterpiece. Short on ingredients, he threw together onions, butter, and champagne. This impromptu creation was so delicious that it quickly became a favorite at the royal court and eventually made its way into the hearts and kitchens of people all over France. Boom! A royal mistake turned culinary masterpiece. This serendipitous invention is a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness that defines French cuisine. So next time you enjoy this bowl of bliss, remember it's not just soup. It's a dish steeped in history, culture, and tradition. Each spoonful is a journey through time, from the ancient Romans to the bustling streets of 18th century Paris, and finally to your own table. It's history in a bowl. Bon appétit! So the next time you savor this delightful dish, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and the countless hands that have perfected it over the centuries. Bon appétit! And remember, every bowl of French onion soup is a celebration of culinary heritage and a testament to the timeless appeal of simple, well-crafted food.